Well, welcome back, everyone. In our business spotlight today, we have Block Insurance out of Wapakoneta and Waynesfield. And joining me right now is the Vice President, Don Ritchie. We want to welcome you to the show.
Thank you.
Yeah, we also want to thank you for all you do. I know that, your name is out there now with our sports advertising, and want to thank you for doing that as well, because I know that you probably do enjoy sports, and our viewers appreciate your support. So.
Well, yes, it's an opportunity for us to give back to the community a little bit and get some exposure at the same time. But it's really amazing all the games that Channel 44 can put on the air, and it's got to be a thrill for the kids.
Yeah,
to see themselves on local television playing. So
yep.
it's a big deal.
We try very hard to meet everyone's needs.
Sure.
So, Don, let's talk about what you do with Block Insurance. I know you've been around a long time, not you personally, but the business has, hasn't it?
Yes, the business has been around since 1945, and it was started by Floyd and Edith Block, and then their son joined them in the mid-'70s. And that's when they physically built a building in Waynesfield and moved the agency out of their home. And then since then, Roger Tuttle, who was a classmate of Ken Block, joined the agency, and then I joined the agency in 1998 after working several years with a motorist insurance company out of Columbus.
Okay.
But yeah, we're in Waynesfield and Wapakoneta and in all Glaze County and all the surrounding counties, and of course we've developed clients throughout the state.
Definitely. Well, what separates Block Insurance from maybe your competition?
Well, we have, there's currently 6 of us, 2 producing agents and 4 client service agents. And everybody's licensed with the state of Ohio to sell insurance. Everybody has the authority to discuss and to sell insurance. But we take a lot of pride in, we touch every renewal of every policy just to make sure that it's got all the credits and the discounts that it can qualify for, and we can give them the lowest price that we possibly can and still provide the coverage that they need.
Very good. You know, insurance, just the word strikes fear in a lot of people, and it's one of those things that, we grumble about it until we don't have it and need it, and then, we wish we would have done something.
Yes.
And, but it's ever changing.
Yes, but yeah, you hit on a couple of key points there. Insurance is very easy to read, but very hard to understand.
Oh, yeah.
And we're an independent agency, so we represent 6 different companies.
Okay.
And we take a lot of pride in trying to develop relationships with our clients and just not sell a commodity. So we try to discuss what their needs are, so they know before a claim occurs whether they're going to have coverage or not. Mm-hmm. And maybe they're paying for something that they don't really need or never use. And so we're always open to do reviews with our clients, and either through going out to their homes and visiting them, or them coming to the office.
We're running out of time. If you're a viewer sitting at home watching right now, what is the one thing that you would suggest that they pay attention to right now with the laws that we have on the books?
Well, the industry right now is, especially on the homeowner side, I'm sure most people are noticing their home insurance premiums rising. And it's because of the weather that we've had the last 5 years. The industry calls large weather events CATs, meaning that they've spent a certain amount of millions of dollars, and we've had twice what we normally have experienced each of the last 5 years than any year ever prior. So it's important for people to keep their properties in good condition to avoid claims from weather type related storms.
Okay.
And then also premiums can be reduced if they're willing to take a little more responsibility at the low end with their deductible.
Okay.
And have the policy more for a catastrophe type loss.
Okay. So yeah, we can't control nature, but we can definitely do what's possible to alleviate the damages and the cost involved. So.
Yes.
All right, Don Ritchie, thank you so much for being here today and informing us about the insurance industry. And
thank you.
You are this week's Business Spotlight. All right, we want to thank you for joining us at home, and we hope to see you back here next week. Until then, have a great one, everyone. Bye-bye.
Send your Datebook event information to Datebook at WTLW.com.